Today we're going to look at how to measure a kitchen. The idea is that you can then measure your kitchen, send us these dimensions, and we can then start with the design, so that when we get to the point where we're able to access your house, take final measurements, we've already got a good idea of what the design looks like, etc. So we're going to start with, imagine you're hanging in the air, you're looking down at your kitchen, and you're going to start making a drawing of your kitchen. It's not complicated, it's actually very simple. We've got a wall on our left hand side. The thickness of that wall might be important but might not. So sometimes we'll measure it, but for now, for what we're doing, I don't think it's necessary. So we're going to start by drawing out that wall, and we'll draw it out like that. Okay, so we've got that wall, it extends into the corner, and then we've got one straight wall running all the way up to where that little nib wall comes out. So we're going to draw that out, and then draw in the little nib wall. So on that wall I've got a door, so I need to indicate where that door is positioned, and I need to indicate where that door hinges. I'm going to draw my door, and it looks like that. So that indicates that the door hinges on the left hand side and it hinges outward, which is quite important when you start doing a design, because if it hinges the other way or hinges into the kitchen, it might become problematic with your design. So we've got the door, we're then carrying on with that wall. So I've got an opening, I'm just going to leave it open like that. Then add the wall, and right at the end I've got another little nib wall coming out. So I'm going to draw that over here. So I've basically drawn out my kitchen. Next thing is we're going to start measuring, and we usually measure from left to right. Try and get as many measurements as possible, because we want to have a full dimension of all of your whole kitchen. And next thing what we're going to do, yes, we're going to start measuring.